All right, number 6, I'd like to add these together right away, but my insides aren't the same. Okay, I've got a y to the 5th, a y squared, and 8y to the 6th. I can't add those together until everything on the inside is the same. So let's fix the inside, see what we can do. It's the cube root. It's 3 times the cube root of the y to the 5th, so I need to fix y to the 5th so it looks like something cubed. I'm looking for 3 of something. Let's rewrite it as 3 times the cube root of y cubed times y squared. Okay, why did I rewrite y to the 5th as y cubed times y squared? Because I need 3 of something to take 1 out, so I'm going to rewrite it in terms of 3 of something, the closest multiple of 3 that gets me to 5. Since I have 3 y's there, I'm going to take 1 out, join it with a 3 on the outside. The other 2 don't get to come out because you need 3 of something. Take 1 y out to join with the 3. 3y times the cube root of y squared. Okay, that's my first part simplified. Okay, that's my first term. Let's do the middle term now. 4 times the cube root of y squared. Okay, well, I need 3 of something to take 1 out. On the inside, I only have 2 y's, so it looks like nothing's coming out. That's going to stay 4 times the cube root of y squared, plus 4 times the cube root of y squared. Nothing I can do with that one. Let's look at the final part of this problem, which is the cube root of 8y to the 6th. The cube root of 8y to the 6th, I need 2 of something, so let's break down our 8 first. 8 is 2 and 4. 4 is 2 and 2. So in my bottom row there, I have 1, 2, and 3 2's. So I get to take 1 out. 1, 2 comes outside. Why to the 6th? Why to the 6th? Well, y to the 6th, I need 3 of something to take 1 out, but I got 2 3 of somethings. I got y squared, and y squared that make up y to the 6th. If I get 3 of something, I get to take 1 out, so 1 y squared gets to come out. In the end, we have 3y times the cube root of y squared plus 4 times the cube root of y squared plus, in the end, 2y squared. Looks like that's as much as I can do. Okay, last problem here. Looking at example number 7, it's the 4th root. Okay, the 4th root of that thing, so I need 4 of something to take 1 out. Let's break down the 32 first. 32, that's 2 and 16. 16, that's 2 and 8. 8, that's 4 and 2. 2 and 4. 4, that's 2 and 2. I need 4 of something to take 1 out. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's. So 4 of them are going to come out as 1. And 1 has to stay inside. There's already a 3 out there, so let's take the 2 out to join the 3. That's going to make a 6 on the outside. Inside, the 2 didn't get to come out. And the x to the 5th, okay? I need 4 x's for 1 to come out, so let's rewrite x to the 5th. Let's make that x to the 4th times x. 6 times the 4th root of 2. X to the 4th times x. It's the closest multiple of 4. Well, if I get 4 of something, 1 can come out. I've got 4 x's, so let's take 1 out. It's going to join the 6 that's already out there that was a 3, but then a 2 got to join it. So 6, x got to come out. What's left on the inside? The 4th root of 2x. You're now done with the left side. Done with the left side. Can you see this? Yes, you can. All right. I need 4 of something to come out. 5 times the 4 through to 2x. There's not 4 of something that can come out there. Okay, there's not 4 of something, so I'm going to leave that as 5 times the 4 through to 2x. Plus 5 times the 4 through of 2x. Looks like that's about as far as I can go. I would like to add them together, the 4th roots of 2x, but I can't add 6x plus 5. Those aren't like terms, okay? 6x plus 5 is just 6x plus 5. You're going to leave that as it is as the final answer. All right, gang, that concludes the notes for today's class. It was good to have you all here. Thanks for joining me. Your homework for tonight and the weekend is 7.3b, the notes that we just went over, as well as studying for Monday's quiz on radicals, okay? So come prepared for that on Monday. On Monday, I'm going to check 7.2b. I'm going to check 7.3a, 7.3b, as well as these notes that you just took in class today. When you're done, please go ahead and log off, okay? Log off your Google Chromebook, okay? Shut it down nicely, fold it back together, return it to its proper spot in the Chromebook cart, okay? And make sure you plug it in so it gets charged for your CMAS testing next Thursday and Friday, which I hope that you are so excited for. I hope that you guys have a splendid weekend, okay? Send your thoughts to the girls volleyball team as they compete in state right now, okay? And I look forward to seeing you all on Monday. Email me if you have any questions. And until then, you all are all awesome, okay? And I'll see you soon.